Life is good in Summerside. I'm Maya Day, and I'm so excited to introduce you to 7205 16th Avenue Southwest. Now, Lake Summerside is probably Edmonton's most dynamic neighborhood. It offers a 32-acre swimmable lake, a beach space, tennis courts, and even an area where you can fish for trout. Now, you'd think that you would have to spend $1 million to live in a neighborhood like that, and I will tell you, some people do. But that's not the case with this home. This half duplex is affordably priced to give you the benefit of single-family home ownership without pesky condo fees. Come inside and have a look. Fine family living at an extremely affordable price point. Have you started mentally moving in? Then let's just take the next steps. Revisit this video on my website at mayaday.ca. You can take the 360-degree tour, download the floor plan, and even view hundreds of photos. Then let's just call this home by calling me at 780-910-6986. You can book a personal showing and see what a difference a day makes.